Hi there, so in this video I'm going to reveal Larry Benedict's stupidly simple options trading strategy that's made him one of the most famous and respected traders in the world. In fact, he's used this very same option strategy to turn a $10 million profit with just one trade in only one day. Now, admittedly, you're highly unlikely to make that kind of money with your trades, and no one will ever promise you that. But really, Larry's options trading strategy is so simple, very easy to follow, but it also allows people to make novice options traders. It allows them to make simple profits by making very simple options trade whilst also minimizing your risk. And that's really what Larry's all about. It's not all about taking huge risks with risky trades on risky stocks. It's all about Larry's philosophy is using options in a very risk-free way whilst covering your downside, but also making consistent trades time and time again. And I'm going to give you the basics of that in this video. Now, if you're a beginner options trader or intermediate, or if you want to learn and get more into options trading, then stay on this video. If you're a more advanced trader and you're really well versed in options trading, then this video probably isn't going to suit you, so you can probably click away now. But obviously, if you're a beginner and novice and you want to get into trading or options trading, then stay with me, because what I'm going to reveal will be of interest to you. Now, if you've got no idea what options trading is, I'm just going to go over the basics very quickly. So, trading options requires answering these questions. Which direction will the stock move? How far will it go? And when will it happen? Basically, options trading is when you buy or sell an underlying asset at a pre-negotiated price by a certain future date. That is basically the basic premise of options contracts. And with options contracts, you never really own the underlying asset. You are just sort of leveraging it with an options contract. Okay, so just very quickly into the different options types. This is the very basic options types. So the first one is a call option. These give the holder the right to buy a specific number of shares of a stock at the strike price at any time until the contract expires. And then we've got something called put options. These give the holder the right to sell a specified number of shares of a stock at the strike price at any time until the contract expires. So that is really the basics of options trading. Now, this video isn't sort of meant to teach you options, but I just wanted to give you the basics so you think, okay, now I've got a basic understanding of what options are about. Now, let's get into Larry's options trading strategy. Now, before I get into that, where a lot of traders, but also options traders, go wrong is that they just sort of take out trades on all sorts of different niches, all sorts of different stocks all at the same time, and just take too much risk, and most of them don't work and they lose a ton of money. That is just a silly way to trade. Now, Larry does something completely different. He doesn't diversify, and Larry's core strategy is focusing on one theme, one stock, trading one sticker at one time. Now, Larry looks at the market, looks for events and triggers, finds stocks that have potential, and then he'll trade that stock time and time again, many times a month, whilst making simple profits that all accumulate and mount up. That, for when you start out, you might only have a small fund, but after a period of time, that fund grows into something sizable. That is Larry's options trading strategy. He's calling it the one ticket retirement plan, where he chooses one theme, one stock, and trades it time and time again for simple profits using his methodology, his research methodology, the certain triggers he looks at, and so on and so forth. So that is basically Larry's trading strategy. Very simple. He doesn't trade lots of stocks at different times at the same time. He just picks one stock, trades it time and time again using options contracts to make profit many times a month. So that is the basics of his strategy. Now, if you want to go into, learn more about this in greater detail, what Larry's done, he's done an interview here where he goes deep or deeper into his one ticker retirement plan, which is what he calls his strategy. So if you want to watch the video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link to his page down in the description. To come to his page, click this or click the button, it will take you straight to the video. Now, Larry also has a trading product called One Ticker Trader. So if you don't want to watch, you can watch the video, but if you just want to go straight in, all in with Larry's One Ticker trading strategy, you can come to this page, click the button here. Normally this, his financial service is $199, but you can join today for just $19, and that $19 will lock your membership in for a whole year. You can go in, have a look. You get a full 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't like it, you can get your money back. But for $19, if you're interested in starting trading, I couldn't recommend a better strategy for you to get going on. Great beginner options trader, great for big, new options traders. So I'm going to link to this page down in the description below as well. But also, I'm just going to show you very quickly around One Ticker Trader. So if you watch the video or you think, yeah, this sounds really good, I just want to learn Larry's strategy. This is inside his One Ticker Trader. You basically get 3 things. You get his issues and updates, which are all his buy and sell alerts, and you get monthly newsletter. You get his special reports, which this is Larry's Guide to Options, where he tells you, goes deep into how to trade options and how to get started. And this is his strategy, the One Ticker retirement plan, where he goes deep into his strategy so you can understand it, so you can start, executing the trades that he puts out here. And that's his portfolio, which lists all of the trades that he's making. So that's what I've got for you. So if you want to join One Ticker Trader, I'll link to this page down below. Just click the button. It's yours for $19, and that will lock you in for a whole year. For $19, you really can't go wrong. And if you want to watch, his interview where he goes deep into his One Ticker retirement plan and gives you an over his shoulder sort of an example, come to this page which I'll link below, and you can watch it. And yeah, see if you like it or not. Anyway, hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.